Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about package.json. Package.json is nothing but just a JSON file that will helps you to manage your all kind of dependencies and their variants in Node project. So let's see, for example, you are having 50 different packages or dependencies installed your application. So it's very difficult for you to understand or to remember all the name of the packages and dependencies installed in your package in your project along with their versioning. So package here the part of package.json comes into the project where package.json file is managing the all the details about the dependencies and the packages that are installed in your nodejs project. So managing the dependencies, express and its versioning, all those stuff is being managed by package.json file. Let's move forward and say script. What is script and initial builds? So it allows you to set up your initial file as well. Like for example, I will say like I want to run my project by using npm start command, and I want to run my project in test mode by using npm test command. So this will allow you to set up these commands along with the file what you want to run in initial build for your project. So this is pretty basic and pretty simple for package.json file. Let's move ahead and try to create a package.json file by using initial command of node project. So we will be moving forward in our visual code. Here you can see like I have a normal an empty folder npm tutorial I had opened in my visual code. I'll go to my terminal. I'll be starting npm init minus minus yes is a command parameter that we will be passing to node that all the default dependencies accept them and create a json file. So let's see like you have one of our json file is created with this sample things, like you can see the name of the project and everything. Let's go ahead and check in visual code. As you can see, the name is npm tutorial, the version for the project is this, description as you want. For example, I will say I am a description, and you can edit it anytime, any case like this. And then npm main, and this is the script for build to test the environment and everything. This is the keyword for your project. It helps you in terms of seo and all those stuff. What is the author? Like I will say the author is future dimensions 360 for this project. And for example, it's say node.js is the keyword and license is there. Is the very basic and very simple application. I may go and try to install one package through this, or let's say we can learn about the package installation later on in the coming videos. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.